Hi, I'm Michael Day, a teacher, nature photographer, and traveler. This video is about the captivating sounds of Yellowstone National Park. At the end of the video, there is some information about my blog and how to contact me. If you'd like to see other videos, hit that little subscribe button on that right-hand corner. Thanks for watching. Yellowstone National Park is located roughly 400 miles away from Laramie, Wyoming. I try to get there often, but never as often as I'd like. Over the years, I've spent nearly 200 days in Yellowstone, exploring and photographing its many features, often hiking its seemingly endless trails. So, when I miss being in the park and need a Yellowstone fix, I look at photos, watch videos, and listen to its distinctive, dynamic, energetic, and comforting sounds. This video includes a number of these sounds. Many are the sounds of water, flowing, falling, cascading, sizzling, bubbling, boiling, steaming, and erupting. But some capture other familiar sounds. But before beginning, it's important to acknowledge another aspect of Yellowstone, its calm and stillness, such as early morning along Mount Washburn's hillside in the central part of the park, overlooking the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. Or standing in awe along the shore of Sylvan Lake in the eastern part of the park. Or after a recent snow overlooking Nymph Lake, one of the loveliest places in Yellowstone, in the western part of the park, near Norris Geyser Basin. I've selected to share 20 short videos, mostly 15 seconds in length. I hope you enjoy the sounds as much as I do. At the end of the video is a slide with my blog address, where you can contact me. Do so if you've seen a photo you especially like and wish a copy or print, or if you'd like to further examine the link between adult education, wonder, curiosity, adventure, and travel. Happy travels.
Oh, I got
Okay, there you go. Oh, he got something. Look at the rodent or whatever it is hanging out of his mouth.
Wow, grabe yung halos din, Joey.